There's a couple of ways to share your location on Android phones, and I'll show the two most common ways to do it. The popular and probably the best way to do this is through Google Maps. First, you'll open Maps, and then tap your profile in the top right corner. From the menu that opens, we'll choose Location Sharing. This turns on location sharing that updates in real time, so friends and family who you share this with can see your location as you're moving. If you haven't done it already, Maps will ask to access your contacts for sharing purposes. Then on the top, I can choose how long I want my location to be shared. Or if I don't want to set a time, I could choose the option below, which will continue sharing until I manually turn it off. Then on the bottom, I can choose how I want to share my location. Usually this would be done through messaging apps, or you could do something like email a link. I'll choose messages, and I'll get a prompt making sure I want to share my real-time location with someone. A bunch of permissions is also needed, including allowing Maps to see my location, and then setting the location access to be allowed all the time. This is needed for the real-time location sharing to work. Maps will keep sharing your location even when you're not actively using the Maps app on your phone. I'll change the setting to Allow all the time, and then tap the back button to go back to Google Maps. It'll ask me about notifications. Those can include things like sharing requests from others. I'll allow that, and we can move on. After that, I can choose who I want to share this with. My recent conversations are up top, and my contact list is on the bottom. I'll choose my buddy Ryan, and it will generate a Google Maps link that he can then use to check my location in real time. The person you share this with can be either an iPhone or Android user. Doesn't matter, it works on both. This is how my friend would see the link. They can tap it, and it'll open in Google Maps, where they can see my precise real-time location, as well as the battery level of my phone, time when my location was last updated, and the address I'm currently at. I'm showing the map zoomed out like this because I don't want to show my home address to the whole world. But the people you send this to can zoom in and see your precise location. You can also share your location directly from the Messages app. Tap the plus icon next to the text field and then choose Location. Same thing here. It sends your friend your precise location, except this one doesn't update in real time. So if you move, that location doesn't change. Third-party apps like WhatsApp also have their own version of this. Main idea is the same in every app. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.